Your imagination is the key that unlocks the door to your desired reality. Neville Goddard. Assume for a moment the power that lies within you, the incredible ability to shape your reality through the simple act of imagination. It is not merely a fanciful thought, it is a profound truth that can transform your life in ways you may never have thought possible. Each of us carries within us a spark of divine creativity, a connection to a greater reality that goes beyond the physical world we see around us. The journey to realizing this power begins with learning to trust your imagination. From a young age, we are often taught to conform to the limits of our environment, to accept the world as it is presented to us. However, what if I told you that your imagination holds the key to unlocking doors you never knew existed? The external world may seem solid and unyielding, but the truth is that it is merely a reflection of your inner thoughts and beliefs. Your imagination is a tool that allows you to transcend those limitations and create a life that resonates with your deepest desires. When you learn to trust your imagination, you begin to see the world through a different lens. You start to understand that your thoughts are not just fleeting whispers, they are powerful forces that shape your reality. Imagine what it would be like to awaken each day with the knowledge that your imagination can create the life you desire. The moment you start believing in this truth, you open yourself up to limitless possibilities. The process of trusting your imagination requires practice and dedication. It is essential to cultivate a habit of visualization, a practice that allows you to vividly picture your goals and dreams as if they were already a reality. This practice is not about wishing for things to happen but rather about embodying the feeling of having achieved what you desire. When you immerse yourself in the emotions associated with your goals, you align your energy with the frequency of those desires. As you engage in this practice, you may find resistance arising within you. Doubts may creep in, whispering that what you envision is impossible. In those moments, it is vital to gently remind yourself that the limitations you perceive are not absolute truths. They are merely reflections of past beliefs that no longer serve you. By consciously choosing to let go of those limiting beliefs, you create space for new, empowering thoughts to take root. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal is the practice of affirmation. By affirming your desires with conviction, you reinforce your trust in your imagination. Speak to yourself as though your dreams are already manifesting. Use phrases that resonate with your core being. For instance, if you desire to experience abundance, affirm to yourself, "I am open to receiving abundance in all areas of my life." Repeat these affirmations daily, and let the energy of your words permeate your subconscious mind. It is also essential to engage with your imagination in a playful manner. Allow yourself to dream without constraints. When was the last time you gave yourself permission to imagine something extraordinary? Think of the childlike wonder that resides within you. Picture your dreams vividly, letting the details flow freely. What does your ideal life look like? What sensations do you feel as you experience it? The more specific you are, the more real your visions will become. Trusting your imagination also means letting go of the need to control the how. Often, we become fixated on the steps we believe we need to take to achieve our desires. However, the universe has its own way of delivering what you seek. Your responsibility is to maintain your focus on the end result and to trust that the how will unfold in divine timing. This trust liberates you from anxiety and allows you to experience the joy of anticipation. Emotional alignment plays a crucial role in this journey. Your feelings serve as a barometer for your thoughts. When you visualize your desires, pay attention to how you feel. If you experience joy, excitement, or gratitude, you are on the right path. Conversely, if you feel fear or doubt, it may be a sign that you need to reassess your beliefs. Replacing negative emotions with positive ones is key to aligning yourself with the life you wish to create. As you embark on this journey of trusting your imagination, you may also encounter moments of doubt. It's entirely natural to feel uncertain as you step into the unknown. However, note that growth often comes from pushing beyond your comfort zone. Each time you face a challenge, you have an opportunity to reinforce your trust in your imagination. Think of those moments as valuable lessons that will deepen your understanding of your own potential. Take time to reflect on past experiences where you have manifested something you desired. Recall how your imagination played a pivotal role in those instances. Perhaps you vividly envisioned a goal, and with time, effort, and belief, it became a reality. Allow these memories to serve as reminders of your ability to create. The more you acknowledge your past successes, the more confidence you will cultivate in your ability to manifest your dreams. Another important aspect of trusting your imagination is surrounding yourself with positive influences. Engage with individuals who inspire and uplift you. Share your dreams with those who support your journey. The energy of those around you can significantly impact your belief in your imagination. Choose to connect with those who encourage you to pursue your passions, as their energy will help amplify your own. In your daily life, practice gratitude for what you have while simultaneously nurturing the vision of what you desire. Gratitude is a powerful force that attracts abundance into your life. When you express appreciation for your current circumstances, you create an energetic resonance that invites more of what you want. Trusting your imagination becomes a beautiful dance of acknowledging the present while reaching for the future. As you develop a deeper trust in your imagination, you may notice shifts in your perceptions. Your reality will begin to reflect the changes in your beliefs and thoughts. You may find opportunities arising where there once seemed to be none. This is the result of aligning your energy with your desires. Trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor, guiding you toward your goals. Note that the journey of trusting your imagination is not a linear path. There will be ups and downs along the way. Think of the ebb and flow, and be patient with yourself. Growth takes time, and every step you take is part of the process. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and trust that you are moving closer to your dreams. Visualization is a powerful ally in this journey. Set aside time each day to create a mental movie of your desires. Close your eyes and immerse yourself in the experience as if it were happening right now. Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, feel, and smell? The more vividly you can create this experience in your mind, the more it will influence your reality. Incorporate creative expression into your life as well. Whether through writing, painting, or any other form of art, allow your imagination to flow freely. Expressing yourself creatively can unlock deeper layers of your subconscious and reveal insights that may help you trust your imagination further. Think of the process, and let go of the need for perfection. Your creations are a reflection of your unique perspective and are valuable in their own right. The power of imagination extends beyond personal desires, it can also be harnessed for the greater good. Imagine a world where love, compassion, and understanding reign supreme. Envision the collective consciousness shifting toward harmony and peace. Your imagination can contribute to this vision by amplifying positive intentions. As you nurture your dreams, note that your energy can impact the world around you. In times of uncertainty, turn to your imagination as a source of solace. When external circumstances feel overwhelming, retreat into the sanctuary of your mind. Create a peaceful space where you can escape and recharge. Allow your imagination to guide you toward solutions and possibilities. In this way, you can cultivate resilience and navigate challenges with grace. Ultimately, trusting your imagination is an invitation to reclaim your power. It is a recognition that you are the creator of your own reality. As you step into this role, you may find a newfound sense of freedom and empowerment. Your life becomes a canvas, and your imagination is the brush. With each stroke, you have the opportunity to create a masterpiece that reflects your true essence. As you begin on this journey, be gentle with yourself. Trusting your imagination is a process, and it may take time to fully think of it. Note to celebrate your victories, no matter how small, and to learn from any setbacks. Each experience brings you closer to understanding the profound connection between your thoughts, feelings, and reality. Allow your imagination to expand beyond the confines of your current circumstances. Think of the infinite possibilities that await you. The world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. When you trust your imagination, you become an active participant in the unfolding of your life's narrative. As you continue to nurture this trust, you will find that the universe responds to your intentions in miraculous ways. Opportunities will arise, and synchronicities will unfold as you align with your true desires. Trust that the journey itself is just as important as the destination. Enjoy the process of creation, and let your imagination guide you toward a life filled with joy, fulfillment, and purpose. In conclusion, the invitation to trust your imagination is an invitation to explore the depths of your own being. It is an acknowledgement of the incredible potential that lies within you. As you learn to think of this journey, note that you are never alone. Your imagination is always there, ready to guide you toward your highest self. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from these teachings. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on unlocking your inner power and manifesting your dreams. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content for you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and let us know in the comments how these teachings have impacted your life. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We appreciate your support.